and they got some history.
Oh, look at this! Hayden Deegan fighting with Cody Shaw.
Cody gives him the business.
Tries to get him back, but can't quite.
Last lap, just getting in a battle with Cody. I'm like, bro, we've already got into it before, so I was like, who knows what's gonna happen? I'm like, I'm trying to, each point matters to me, so I'm like, I'm gonna, try and get this pass. And he jumped into the quad, he went on off, and he was able to stuff it in. And luckily, it wasn't murder, but I got it a little. I don't know what hit right there. Yeah, it's what it is. It's racing. At least it was a good battle, and after we were cool.
The only drama is when the fans like to bring it up. I'm gonna be honest. It's all good. He shouldn't have caught me. I should have been better the last few laps, and I should never put myself in that situation. So at the end of the day, kid rips. I'm riding well, so I don't know. We'll be all right.
Damn, Jake, why'd you look at me?
Sorry, do it again.
They're like, I don't even know what they're called. I just buy them. I just swipe my credit card.
Hey, how much though?
You said you don't wear. Hey, if you gotta wonder the price, you can't afford it. So that's the way I look at it.
That's why mine costs $75.
Hey man, it's San Diego. We got good vibes here. I feel like San Diego has a distinct crowd. They look different than Anaheim. I don't know why. It's the same people, but they look different.
First Supercross last week, you think a lot of people were surprised that you finished what you did?
It is what it is. I just will take it as it goes and just build off that. Futures was actually really good, just like a warm up to the pros. Especially racing, you can't get better than actually racing. Just it's the best way you can learn experience and stuff like that. Just racecraft, everything like that. You can't get that at a practice track.
Doing good, man. Yeah, San Diego, round 2. Enjoying it. Day's been good so far. Ended up 4th in that first qualifier, which is good. And really enjoying the track, feeling good. Excited to get things going throughout the day.
Excited for racing tonight. I think it's going to be pretty tight. So times are tight. Just trying to get a good flow with the track. And first qualifying, we tried to make a slick chapter free practice, but really it wasn't working out with the big jumps out there, like the quads and stuff. I feel like you need your bike being comfy, go for that stuff. So we kind of dropped the ball in the first qualifying session, but still ended up, I think, 9th. So hopefully we can feel a little bit better on what we started on, and just string some laps together, get ready for the heat race, and get a good gate pick.
Shocky's driving a little tight. I just need to loosen up. Track is fun, very simple, which sometimes the simple tracks are the harder ones to ride because very, very racy. So I'm a racer anyhow. I'm not a practice rider, so it'll all buff out. Gotta be patient with it and just it'll come.
How are you feeling this week compared to last week?
We're staying off the ground. I feel really good, actually. I'm feeling comfy on the bike, a little more confidence. I just need to link everything together, but we're turning it around.
Trying to get the track piece together. Thinking about hitting this 3-4, but probably not.
Yeah, I'm iron short with 4X Yamaha, and we're in San Diego, California. Well, it was a tough decision to go from Suzuki. We've been there for 10 years, and we moved on to Yamaha. We were looking for a program that we felt that we could advance ourselves with riders. The undertaking of the change is way bigger than we imagined it would be when you have so many years of parts and technology and everything, but I think we did a great job to get to A1 last weekend. Yeah, I believe all the riders are very happy, the mechanics are happy. For us, our team manager's happy, and it's been great, so we're happy with it.
Davies leads Mosman at the moment. Then you go 2-3 further back to pick up Hayden Deegan.
Eli Tomac playfully referred to these 250 riders as the hyenas because they were just so aggressive and everywhere he turned and every time they were out on the racetrack. But that's been an important part of the learning for Cole Davies, is being out there with established pros day in and day out.
They've done it on the 450. He's off! Deegan loses control! And then now Cole Davies sees that checkered with the big fist bump. Well done, the 17-year-old Kiwi.
Honestly, for the kid's second race to come out and get a heat race win, like, it's huge for him. I mean, he executed everything perfectly. I couldn't ask for anything more from him. He got out, got the start. You got to be stoked with the kid. I'm stoked on him, and he deserves every bit of it, and it's only just the beginning.
I like Cooper Webb and his chances here tonight. The reason that I do is because of this track style. Cooper is very, very good at tight tracks and slower tracks where you have to get low in the corners.
Look who gets a flyer of a start. It's Eli Tomac.
He looks really comfortable on his motorcycle. When that rear tire is on the ground, that throttle is on.
All the way to the checkered flag. Eli Tomac takes the heat win here in San Diego. Brad West has now put himself in the mix. See the 334 there at the bottom of your screen, all in black. Brad narrowly missed out at A1 by finishing 5th. Watch the flagger, there we go. Back with the staggered restart of the 250 last chance qualifier.
I love the raw emotion right there. High-fiving his boys.
Damn happy after today. Was not easy.
Oh, Deegan got a little unbalanced there. Shimoda's gone wide, way wide. On the inside, Jordan Smith, but it's Cole Davies.
But yeah, I got to talk to his dad, Brian Deegan, who's so brilliantly honest, always with us, and said, look, he said, I'm glad we've got the speed, but I need him to keep it under control. He said he's young, he's just turned 19 last week, and he said this is part of the learning. Ricky, we've talked about this a lot. He's got to go through this process and figure out when to push.
It would be bizarre, though, to start this season if he does not get a podium here tonight.
This could be a great track for Cooper Webb. The turns are very tight. He likes to ride low in those corners as well. He rises to the occasion. We talk about he'll sneak up on you when you least expect it, and there it is.
Eli Tomac, they're just a few positions back. Look at Eli, right around the outside.
I mean, he had a lot of success on Monster Energy Kawasaki, but I feel like he was a new man when he got on that Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha.
Look at this, look at this. multiple-time winner on a 250 and a 450 here in the city of San Diego is the guy leading the race, the father of three, Eli Tomac. The legend has done it! Eli Tomac wins in San Diego again!
Let's just revel the moment. As the winner of round number 2 of 28, none other than Eli Tomac and 58 family right there.
Awesome race. That was a good. You go at the start, I'm like,
That really good. One of the greats of Eli Tomac.
Amazing night. Had to work for it, made a lot of passes early, and just was able to get it done. Had such a good flow around the racetrack. There were some big jumps out there. The whoops for me stayed skimmers all night, and just so cool to get it done for that full 20 minutes. It was a special night for the team.
Beast mode was in full effect tonight, right?
That's right, it was, especially coming from the back.
Main event was awesome. I got a great start, led about half the race, and Eli and Jack got around me, and they definitely pulled away. But had a good fight with Kenny. Was able to secure third. Yeah, I was a little under the weather today, so it was a tough main event for me physically. And you're gonna definitely sleep good tonight. But yeah, it's exciting to start the year off strong, and we'll get them next week, and look forward to A2.
It was one where I kind of had to salvage a third because at the beginning, I don't know, I just kind of pumped up really quick, which is something I haven't really ever had happen to me in a mid event. So got pretty bad arm pump and just tried to ride my best, and all I could do was third. But it kind of sucked too because I was like, I'm going at a pace right now where I'm like, I'm staying the same as these dudes, and I'm like, bro, I want to go faster. My arms wouldn't allow me, so whatever. We're only 2 rounds in, and the podium's fine, so just gotta go back to work this week and keep rolling.
Oh my gosh! I'm like, dude, I seen him go left. I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, what are we doing? And because after the loop we went through, he was on the left, and I went to go underneath, and he got down and almost ran into me. I'm like, oh my god.